In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a general ledger report in QuickBooks with this comprehensive guide. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a business owner trying to manage your finances, extracting a general ledger report can provide crucial insights into your transactions and overall financial position. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to head over to QuickBooks. This is your starting point for accessing all the powerful tools and reports QuickBooks has to offer. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you're looking for the Standard Reports section, a centralized hub containing a variety of reports that QuickBooks can generate for you. Move your cursor or tap on the appropriate button to access the standard reports. This section includes a range of financial data summaries that are essential for effective business management. Now, in the search bar within the Standard Reports section, type in Highlight. This function allows us to easily navigate through the extensive list of report options. QuickBooks has numerous reports, and using the search bar can speed up the process, ensuring you find exactly what you're looking for without wasting time scrolling unnecessarily. Once you've typed in Highlight, you will notice the list condensing to show only the relevant results, making it much simpler to find what you need. You should now see an option labeled General Ledger List. This is the link we need to click on to access the General Ledger report. The General Ledger is a comprehensive record of your business's financial transactions, offering a detailed overview that spans accounts and date ranges. By clicking on this, it will generate the report and give you a snapshot of all the financial activities that have taken place within your business. As a quick tip, once you're viewing the General Ledger report, make sure to review the date range settings. You can customize these settings to fit the specific period you want to review. This flexibility allows you to hone in on particular timeframes, whether you're conducting a monthly audit or analyzing an annual overview. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effortlessly access a general ledger report in QuickBooks to keep track of your finances and ensure everything is in order. This report is invaluable for both internal analysis and external audits, providing clarity and transparency in your financial dealings. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to pull a data report. And remember that practicing these steps will enhance your confidence and efficiency in navigating QuickBooks. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful QuickBooks tips and tutorials.